Good morning everyone. Welcome to our next session of class 6 English. I, Shweta Somra Punya, will be teaching you English of class 6 and today we will start with our chapter number 2. How the dog found himself a new master. Okay? Now as you can see how a dog found himself a new master, can you relate it to something? We also keep dogs as our pets at home, right? So this is a story which started long back and how dogs started living with humans and how they became their most faithful animal. We will read in this chapter. Okay, pack your bags, sit properly and listen carefully. I'm taking you to a jungle ride. Okay, so come along everyone. We will move on to the main characters of the chapter first. It will help you to relate in the story. First character is a dog. Obviously, as the name of the chapter is, how a dog found himself a new master. Then a wolf, then a bear, then a lion, and finally a man. So these are the main characters of this chapter we will be reading about. So moving on to our chapter, we will start with the first hard word. Ill-pleased. Now what do you mean by ill-pleased? Ill-pleased is a word which is no more in use now, but earlier it was used to express the meaning not happy. Like if I say I'm ill-pleased with your performance, what do you mean by this? I am ill-pleased with your performance means I am not happy with your performance or I am not at all satisfied with your performance. So this is what ill-pleased means. We will start with the chapter now. Dogs were once their own masters and lived the way wolves do. Earlier times, in jungles, dogs and other animals used to live in freedom. They were their own masters. They were not tamed by anyone. Until a dog was born who was ill-pleased with the way of life, with this way of life. So then finally one day a new dog was born and he was not satisfied with the way which was going on. He did not want to hunt for food anymore and he did not want to save his life all the time from the beast, running and hiding behind the bushes. So he was not happy with this type of life. He was sick and tired of wandering about by himself, looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than he. So the same thing which I explained, he was not happy with this type of life. He did not want to find food anymore and he was being frightened by the beasts which want to kill them as their prey. Okay. Next, he thought it over and decided that the best thing for him to do was become the servant of one who was stronger than anyone on earth. And he set out to find such a master. So what did he want to find? He wanted to find stronger than anyone on earth. He wanted to find a master who would be the most strongest master in the world. Okay, whom everybody will be scared of and he is not scared of anyone. So this was what the dog started thinking. All right, and then what happened next was he walked and he walked and he met a kinsman of his. Now what do you mean by the word kinsman? It's not kingsman, it's kinsman. Okay, Kinsman, kinsman. It means, it's also an old fashioned word, no more used now. It means a relative. Okay, it means rishtedar. Relative means rishtedar. So the dog walked and walked, and he suddenly met his relative, kinsman of his, a big wolf. Whom did he meet? He met a wolf. Okay, do you remember in the first previous page I told you about the characters of this chapter, right? The first one was dog, the second one was wolf. Now the story is proceeding. Okay, then wolf was in front of the dog. Now he was as strong as he was fierce. Now the wolf was strong also and he was fierce also. What do you mean by the word fierce? Fierce means violent, frightening, akramak or bhayanak. Okay, it was very violent and frightening. Where are you going, dog? The wolf asked. The wolf stopped the dog and asked, where are you going? I am looking for someone to take up service with. Now what did the dog reply? He said that he was looking for someone, he was in search of someone to take up service with. Now what do you mean by the word to take up service with? It means to become a servant of. To take up service means become the servant of. Okay, so the dog wanted to find someone, he was in search of someone whom he could become a servant. Would you like to be my master, wolf? क्या आप मेरे मास्टर बनना पसंद करेंगे? He asked the wolf. I don't see, why not? The wolf said, मुझे ना करने का कोई रीजन ही नहीं लग रहा. बिल्कुल, I will be your master. The wolf said, and this agreed upon, and the two of them went on together. Now both of them started moving together. Wolf was the master, dog was his servant, and dog was happy that finally he found a master. Then what happened next? Are you all enjoying the jungle safari? Okay, so let's take the hard meanings first. Darted means darted, moved quickly or suddenly, अचानक से जल्दी जल्दी तेज चलने लग जाना. And come over you, affected you, something which affects you. Okay, कोई चीज जो आपको परेशान करे या bother करे, that is what come over you. They walked and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose. Lifted his nose, नाक को ऊंचा करके sniffed. Sniffed means सूंघना, to smell. Okay, sniffed means like this. He was smelling some other creature. Okay, the wolf was smelling. They have good senses of smell, you know that, right? So the wolf started smelling some other creature nearby. Darted quickly off the path and into the bushes and crept deeper into the forest. Now what did the wolf do? The wolf started running from that place. He was scared of something. What was he scared of? He was the master of the dog, but still he was frightened of something else. What could it be? Can you think? The dog was much surprised. Now, dog was very much surprised that I made him my master and he's running away. What's wrong with him? What's come over you, master? The dog asked the wolf, Master, आपको क्या चीज bother कर रही है? What thing is troubling you? What is it which is bothering you? He asked, what was frightened you so? He said, कौन सी ऐसी चीज थी जो आपको बहुत ज्यादा डरा रही थी? Can't you see? तुम देख नहीं सकते? There's a bear out there. Now came the third character, bear, a big bear. There's a bear out there and he might eat up both of us, you and me. Now the wolf said to dog, this is a bear and he is very strong and he is gonna kill both of us if he will see us. So it's better to run and hide. Okay, run from here, we hide somewhere. Okay, you can see a big picture of a bear. This is bear which was nearby the wolf and the dog. Seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to take up service with him. Now, the dog saw, or you can say the dog observed one thing, that the bear was even more stronger than the wolf. So, he thought of an idea that why not be a servant of bear instead of the wolf, because wolf being a master, he is scared himself, right, from other beasts. So the dog decided to take up service with, and he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. Now what did the dog do? He again came closer to the bear and said, will you be my master? क्या आप मेरे मास्टर बनेंगे, मालिक बनेंगे? The bear agreed to this readily. Readily means happily, खुशी खुशी से, and said, let's go and find a herd of cows. I will kill a cow and then we can both eat our fill. What did the bear say to the dog? He said, okay, I will be your master and I am happy to be, and come, let's go and we'll hunt for some cows so that we both can satisfy our hunger. हमें हमारे पेट की भूख शांत करने के लिए हम hunt करते हैं cows का. Okay, so this was part 1 of chapter number 2. How did dog found himself a new master? This is part 1. We will end up here and I hope you all understood well. So let's two lines. We started with a dog who was not satisfied with his life to hunt and then to be scared of animals and hide anywhere to save their lives. Okay, so he was not happy with such kind of life and he decided to find a master so that he could help him for food also and help him shelter also and also save him from other beasts. Okay, so he went to the wolf first. The wolf became his master. Then the wolf also was scared by a bear. So the dog said, okay, I'll make bear my master. Now this is the second master the dog is having. So we will move on to the next part in our next class and read what all happened next. Hope you all enjoyed the chapter. Take care. Bye-bye.